This is an addendum to the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we said that to do a reset with the reset button, you held the reset button until it stopped flashing. And that brought us up into what's called the capsman mode. The capsman mode is for remote router configuration, and we didn't want to do that, so we used system reset configuration to bring it back to the normal configuration. We did this so that if you mistakenly got into the wrong configuration, you know how to get back to the configuration that we wanted. So the factory reset that you would normally use is to hold the reset button until the bottom light starts flashing. Once again, you have to disconnect that white cable because it will give you strange results if you don't. So right now we've done a reset holding the button until the flashing light starts to flash. And that would bring us into another factory mode of reset. And in both cases, you always have to unplug the white cable from the modem, because if you don't, you're going to get some strange results. So right now I've done a factory reset with the reset button and held it until the flashing light started to flash. And now we're going to see if we can connect right here. And notice we connected. Sometimes it doesn't connect. You have to do it a second time and it works a second time. I can't tell you why that is. But this is the screen you want when you first log in. This is things you need to do. It's telling you 5 steps that you need to perform to keep your router secure. Then down here it explains everything that this configuration, factory reset configuration, is going to do if you allow it. By clicking OK, you're allowing that. Or you can remove it and not do it. But we always want to click OK and allow it. So now we're back to where we can change our password and we have our firewall. So I just want to clarify that you must have the cable removed that goes to your ISP router before you do these switch resets. And you want to do the switch reset, hold it down until the bottom light starts flashing, and then let go of the reset button. And that's the quickest way to get back to your factory default configuration that you want. So I just want to throw this out here for those that may have experimented.